Welcome to today's tutorial. In this guide, I'll be showing you how to delete a group in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're cleaning up old groups, restructuring your workspace, or simply removing one that's no longer needed, this walkthrough will cover the process from start to finish. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Make sure you're signed in with your account, either through the desktop app or the web version. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Teams interface where all your chats, meetings, and groups are displayed. On the left-hand side, you'll see your full list of groups. Scroll through and locate the one you want to delete. Since you may have several groups, double-check you've selected the correct one before moving forward. Now, hover your cursor over the group name. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with several actions you can take for that group. In this menu, look for the Delete option. Go ahead and click it. At this stage, Microsoft Teams will ask for confirmation before proceeding, since deleting a group is a permanent action. Once you confirm, the group and all of its associated chat history will be removed. A quick word of caution here: once a group is deleted, it cannot be restored. All files, conversations, and shared history tied to it will be lost. If there's anything important stored in that group, be sure to back it up or check with other members before making the final decision. And that's it. The group will immediately disappear from your list, giving you a more organized Teams environment. This feature is especially useful for keeping your workspace free of unnecessary clutter, so you can focus only on the groups that matter most. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Teams tips and productivity guides, and let me know in the comments if there are other features you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.